Throughout a relationship, I've found myself asking myself, how did I get so lucky? I've never had a connection so strong with anyone else, and I'm infinitely excited to say that I never will.
Throughout the last 8 years, we have created a beautiful life together that's far greater than I could have ever imagined. I couldn't be happier to choose you today and every day for the rest of our lives.
Emily, you're the best decision I've ever made. God, you look amazing.
Thanks. You're so handsome.
Remember, from the rising of the sun to its setting, every day is your wedding day for the rest of your life.
He is the most happy-go-lucky guy I've ever met in my life. And he does it no matter what's going on. Even when there's really reason not to be so happy.
You're my soulmate, my love, my best friend, and my rock. You feel like home.
Emily, you have this warmth about you that makes people gravitate towards you. It really is so special how you make other people feel so special, and I can honestly say I model how I show my love for friends and family from how you do it.
You're the most genuine, giving, and caring woman that I've ever met. I vow to dedicate myself to you each and every day for the rest of our lives.
Oh my gosh. You look so beautiful.
I vow to be your husband, the man you can always turn to the highs and lows, the man who will always fight for you and be on your side. I'm honored to take you as my wife today. There's no other soul on this planet that I'd rather share this journey with.
Austin, receive this ring.
Emily, receive this ring.
As a sign of my love and fidelity.
As a sign of my love and fidelity.
In the name of the Father,
In the name of the Father,
and of the Son,
And of the Son.
and of the Holy Spirit.
and of the Holy Spirit.
I love you always and forever, and so I vow to you. To always allow you room to grow as an individual. To choose you through the difficult days that may come. To fill our lives with happiness and laughter. And to love you madly and choose you for the rest of our lives.
Marriage, above all, is a teacher. And marriage will teach you to love one another more than you ever believed is possible.
If you're a couple that embraces adventure and looks for joy in everything you do, you're really bound to have a great and wonderful life.
I'm so lucky to have you guys as an example of love and kindness, and I'm excited for a lifetime of being entertained by the Pitchfords.
My dear friends, let me present to you for the very first time Mr. and Mrs. Austin Pitchford.